Today we are going to talk about quantization of energy and energy level in an atom. You see, after Rutherford's discovery of the nucleus, another unexplained phenomenon called the hydrogen emission spectrum emerged. But before I start talking about these experiments, I need to talk about what quantization is. So what is quantization? Well, quantization is regarding a thing as discrete aggregates of units instead of continuous. Say for example you have a basket of eggs, and the number of eggs are 65, and the eggs without the basket together weights 2 kilograms. So you say 2 kilograms of egg contain 65 individual eggs. Therefore, in this manner, you cannot have perfectly 1 kilogram egg unless you break an egg. So the only mass you could get without breaking an egg is only limited. From mathematical point of view, the amount of mass in kilograms you can get from this basket of eggs is n times 2 divided by 65. Where n is the number of eggs, and is an element of natural number, until the number 65, if you are limited to only one basket. Therefore, in our case, the mass that could be derived from this basket is quantized. This is the meaning of quantization. Returning to our topic, energy is quantized just like our example above. Among few dilemmas at that time, one of the dilemma was the ultraviolet catastrophe. It goes like this: when you heat a metal, the metal turns from red to yellow to white at higher temperatures, but never ultraviolet, and other regions of the electromagnetic spectrum even if you increase the temperature further. This is like having a basket that can only hold 65 eggs, which is put on a balance which measures 2 kilograms, and adding more egg beyond the carrying capacity of the basket. The balance can't read any change of mass, because the added eggs keep falling from the basket. So increasing the temperature of a metal to reach ultraviolet spectrum is like adding an egg into a full basket. The vice versa is also true. The minimum amount of egg you can take out of a basket is only 1, not half or quarter. So the minimum amount of energy you can take or receive is the Planck constant multiplied by the frequency of the electromagnetic wave. The second proof that energy is quantized in a matter comes from the hydrogen emission spectrum. See, when the emission spectrum of hydrogen is first observed, the spectrum was not continuous, instead it was line spectrum at different wavelength, meaning colors, and a dark region between the lines. An atom emits an electromagnetic radiation when it returns from higher energy level to lower energy level after it absorbs certain amount of energy. The spectrum of this emitted radiation is called emission spectrum of an atom, or a substance. The line spectrum of the hydrogen observed tells us that energy is absorbed and emitted only in a certain amount. This experiment, in addition to proving that energy is quantized in a matter, it proved the existence of energy levels in an atom, so improving the knowledge about the atomic model. Next time I will discuss in detail about this topic with images. Thank you for watching this video.